We all have to and had to go through the journey of trying to find the one thing. And to be honest, what happens is everyone goes and tries to find the one thing. They go for the pills, they go for the medication, they go for the best doctor in the world. We did that as a family. And I know heaps of families in America have done that. We've had lots of clients go to the best doctors in the USA and then come to our program as a last resort and then start to get better. And it's not that they get better immediately. It's just that they stop focusing on trying to find the one thing. And then they focus on, well, what do I need to focus on right now? But also holistically, how can I have a holistic approach? And because that's what it takes. But then the kicker with that is it takes consistency over intensity with the approach. And I think that's where most people go wrong. It's just they go so hard. Like, hands up, who's guilty of literally, you're on Google or you're on Facebook and then someone posts a freaking article about a diet. It's the keto diet, or it's the fasting diet. It's the intermittent fasting diet. And it's the answer. It's like, holy shit, this is the holy grail. This is going to fix all my problems. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to forget about everything else in my life, and I'm going to drastically change my normal nutrition plan to then something so hardcore and go so deep and so hard at it, especially with chronic fatigue syndrome. I want to talk to adaptation, because your body cannot adapt like a normal healthy body can right now. It's already compromised. And so this is why consistency over intensity is so important. Yeah, for some people, keto diet, carnivore diet, paleo, fasting, all that as a healthy person is totally fine and sometimes can be life-changing. But for someone who is going through chronic fatigue syndrome when your immune system is already compromised, it's like a massive shock to your body. And it simply physiologically can't adapt to that stressor. We've all done it. I feel like anyone who's been through this has done it, and even healthy people do it as well. It's like you're just kind of going from one shiny object to the next. And then after 6 weeks, you're exhausted. You feel even worse. You're confused because you thought that was what was going to fix the issue. And then you're pissed off. You're in the pit. You're even more frustrated. You're more angry. You're feeling more despair. And it's okay if you're doing it. I actually think you need to do it. Like, I don't think you can bypass this part of the journey. I actually think it's an important piece, because that will help you get to the point of realization of, oh, it's actually not something out there that's going to fix me. It starts in here, and it's not just one thing. It's a holistic approach.